Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up your printing extension for Squarespace. If you want to connect your store and start selling printed products, we will walk you through the setup process step by step. On your Squarespace dashboard, click on Settings in the lower left corner. Once there, click on Third-Party Tools, then go to Extensions. When you are on that page, type Printing in the search bar. Once you see the result, click on Printing. On the next page, click Connect. It is completely free. You will need to wait while it connects. Next, log into your printing account. If you do not have one yet, you can create one here. Otherwise, simply sign in to start using printing on your website. And that is how we set up the printing extension for Squarespace. With this integration, we can easily start offering print-on-demand products on our site.